Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve the problem, beautiful year, from Codeforces. The goal is to find the smallest year greater than a given year such that all its digits are distinct. I'll explain the solution step by step, analyze its complexity, and compare two different implementations of it. The problem requires us to 1. Take a year y as input. 2. Increment y until we find the first year, where no digit repeats. 3. Output this year. The key part of the solution is to efficiently determine if a year has distinct digits. Let's dive into the code. We add 1 to ensure we look at years greater than y. Next, we have two implementations of the is_distinct function. Both check if a year has distinct digits. First implementation. Here's how it works. 1. Convert the year y to a string. 2. For each digit I, count its occurrences using year.count I. 3. If any digit appears more than once, return false, otherwise, return true. Time complexity. Year.count I scans the entire string for I, so for a 4-digit year, this is 4. Repeating this for each digit results in 4 times 4 equals 16. Thus, the complexity is n for n digits. Second implementation. Here's how it works. 1. Convert the year y to a string. 2. Convert the string into a set, which removes duplicates. 3. Compare the length of the set to the length of the original string. If they are the same, the digits are distinct, otherwise, they're not. Time complexity. Converting the string to a set is n, where n is the number of digits. Comparing lengths is 1. Thus, the complexity is n, making this implementation more efficient. Next, we use a while loop to find the next year with distinct digits. This loop increments y until is_distinct y returns true. Once found, we print the year. That's how we solve the beautiful year problem. We explored two approaches to checking distinct digits and analyzed their complexities. The final solution is efficient and works well for the problem's constraints. Don't forget to find the code in the comments below, and feel free to share your thoughts. Happy coding!